Judy. Judy, baby. Don't cry.
You want to see? Huh?
Don't cry. Who do you look like? You look like a crying monster.
A winter one.
Judy.
But Daddy's asleep. But your Daddy's a sleepy one.
No.
But you only skip breakfast. You skip breakfast all the time at weekdays. You see, breakfast is not an option.
Tinan mo yung tuwalya na yung